Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to fix nearby people not showing up on Telegram. Telegram officially discontinued the people nearby feature in recent updates due to privacy concerns and low usage in some regions. So I found a lot of people still looking for this option, so I made this video to make it clear that even with all the location and permissions fixes, it won't work anymore because Telegram disabled it. Your best alternatives are using Telegram groups or channels in your area. Many cities or communities have local groups, and sharing your location via messages with friends manually, and also using other apps that still support nearby features like WhatsApp's live location or Snapchat's Snap Map. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.